The Altanbulag-Ulaanbaatar-Zamenhof 1,000-kilometer highway construction project. Implemented by the Chinggis Land Development Group New Development Road International Consortium. Chinggis Khan's Mongolia provided greater security and dictated peace along the ancient Silk Road, as well as opening up the world to new possibilities to develop commercial, intellectual and cultural exchange, and declared the Pax Mongolica, creation of a transportation corridor that connects Europe with Asia via Mongolia, is the main strategic objective for the Mongolian auto road sector. An all-new single-window service at the Zamenhof border station for immigration and customs inspections. Integrated rapid response and monitoring system. The management and monitoring services for immigration, customs, highway and logistics will be based on advanced ICT technologies and serve as a complete system with high speed and secure information. A dramatic increase in flow of goods, transit freight delivery services, free zone trade, as well as integrated border and customs solutions for transportation and logistics will be taken to a new level, eventually leading to the establishment of the regional business hub. Green trees as a highway landscape component to slow sand migration. The crossing of railway and highway in Zamenhof Logistic Terminal. Beginning of the highway, toll gate. The Zamenhof toll gate of the Ah3 highway, with its 12 lanes in a single direction, will have the capacity for 5,760 trucks or 187,200 tons of freight a day, and 2,073,600 trucks or 67,392,000 tons of freight per year. The purpose of people-to-people intellectual inspiration of this mega development is to give a sense of hope and optimism. The pasture migration bridge for livestock and endangered animal species. The rural communities, having once been isolated, will become the center of human culture, stimulated by flexible solutions of power demand and supply, as well as prospective circulation of mining resources. The entry and exit solution to UB. Multi-level concourse. Bayernzurk Bridge. Tool River. The Ah3 highway project will be implemented as part of the Mongolian New Reform Government Urban Planning Project, including transit infrastructure and other activities. Many satellite towns and smart cities will be created along the highway in the development scope of the project, extending the city and decreasing over-centralization. Hoshig Valley's Transport Logistic Business Hub. Freight Transport Business Hub. Industrial parks, mining, power stations will become the main foundation of economic development. Drain pipes. First response call centers, road maintenance, automobile service stations, sub-logistic terminals will be installed every 100 kilometers. Environmentally friendly and electricity-saving smart technologies will serve the passengers throughout their entire journey. The highway will be built to high standards. Mongolian cement production is 2.7 million tons per year. Studies show that in order to build the 1,000-kilometer highway, 1.9 million tons of cement is required. The work is estimated to involve 800 to 900 national and international firms, 21 general contractor organizations, 68 subcontractors, 5,000 major machines, 45 asphalt laying machines, 39 cement mixers, 43 crushing plants, and between 35,000 and 45,000 workers. The construction work will progress with 3 working shifts a day. The highway will be finished and ready to operate by May 2016. Commercial centers and recreational resorts standing at every 50 to 80 kilometers of the highway. Many gas stations, hotels, restaurants, and commercial centers will be built every 50 to 80 kilometers. Capital and information flow will pass along this road. A new city will be created and developed as part of the Smart City Ecological Plan. Eco squared equals ecological city plus economic city. Mountain Pass Tunnel at the Hangai Zone. Altan Bulag Free Trade Zone. This mega development project will restore the East-West corridor, traced way back from the Mongolian Empire, fostering Mongolian development and Eurasian socio-economic relationships. Starting from Tokyo, ending up in Istanbul, the part of the Asian Highway Network, Ah3 is the main transit road, passenger and freight transport traffic route between the Russian Federation and the PRC, and increasingly Asia and Europe. The Trans-Mongolian Ah3 highway will be able to handle some volume of the Ah5 and Ah6 corridors' freight traffic. Via the Ah3 expressway, the distance from Europe to the ocean ports in Asia will be shortened by 2,700 kilometers compared to the Ah6 highway. Thus, freight transport will save 45 hours and passenger transport 34 hours via Ah3. Russia and China's trade volume is expected to reach $200 billion by 2020. At the SCO summit held in Bishkek, they discussed the importance of building the infrastructure that is crucial for these countries' trading sites. President of the Russian Federation, Vladimir Putin. It is important to continue and develop a program of coordinated development of highways for the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. We are waiting for the agreement on creating favourable conditions for international road transport, which is meant to be signed soon. President of the Republic of China, Xi Jinping. It is crucial for the SCO member states to carry out pragmatic cooperation and promote the spirit of the Silk Road as soon as possible to sign an agreement on the creation of favourable conditions for international road transport, connecting the Baltic Sea to the Pacific Ocean and Central Asia to the Indian Ocean and the Persian Gulf.
Project specifications: road construction, 2.5 years, total project budget, $810 billion, concession agreement period, 30 years.
The project risk analyses of the concession agreement build, operate, transfer basis has been compared and made by the above matrix system. Reform government, new development road. For a better tomorrow for all.